Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again in Tales and Pixels, and this is another unboxing video and I got something to unbox. I'm pretty excited about it, so I'll unbox with you and let's enjoy the process. Here we go. So here is the box. This is pretty good. Let's unbox it. I'll try to open it like this first. Yep, working well. And now it goes like this. Can you guess what is this? I mean, nothing to guess, but yeah, I'm a big fan of this device. Established in 1962. What is this? I don't know. And we got some packaging here. Marshall Willen 2 portable loudspeaker. Blah blah blah. What else? And then we got this thing. Yes, the cable looks pretty nice. This is USB-C to C. Now it's time to unbox the main device. Looks pretty good. And now it's time to test it. I'll turn it on. Yeah, this is like a power button. And this is Bluetooth button. Oh, so I'll connect it.
From the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You make me a believer.
So we can pause by this button, pause and play, and this is to increase the volume, this is to reduce the volume, and this is for next. Yeah, it's pretty good in my opinion. 5 out of 5.
Georgia, write me out and all you hurt.
This is fabric mesh and leather finish. They have pretty good in my opinion. So that was it. So see you in the next one. And as you know, sometime like I make some unboxing videos, not very often but sometimes, so go check my other videos, like if you are interested in unboxing ones or if you are interested in vlogs as well, then go check it and please subscribe and press the like button if you like it. And if you have more questions, don't forget to comment. I'll answer. And thank you very much for watching this. Bye bye.